Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my channel, YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends. And this is another continuation video about the Bollinger Band. So some response from the comment they want to the scanner. Okay, so I have already showed you the scanner. Someone not able to understand how to create a scanner. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create the scanner about the Bollinger Band breakout. And also I'm going to share you that scanner on my Telegram channel. Those who are not able to create a scanner, because you are giving me a great support for my YouTube channel and also me. And thanks for your great support. So this video I have already shared you that daily based Bollinger Band breakout, as well as the stock above upper Bollinger Band and lower Bollinger Band. So even Nifty also started moving down and it went up, and again it is still coming down using the Bollinger Band strategy. So let me try the Bollinger Band. Here we are finding out Bollinger Band. So still today also Nifty goes down and it is ending with negative around 28 points, and Bank Nifty is still moving down. After this, there is a today also we have another opportunity where Bank Nifty reaches the lowest level of that particular candle low is 34,977. Today it reaches that level and again it fallen down and closed by 34,600. If you're watching this video, so you have an opportunity to find out a trade by Bank Nifty also, that is giving you somewhere around 300 points. So that kind of scanner, that Bollinger Band breakout scanner, which I am going to create in live right now. So let me try it out. So some of them are asking me give me the scanner, but this scanner I will share you on my Telegram. Okay, I am going to create for a 1 hour breakout and also 15 minutes breakout, which is for an intraday we can use. But we have the risk reward you will decide as per your own, right? So I'm always trade with the futures stocks because it is having a normally good volume. And here the Bollinger Band, so that's a key. There is the band is a key. There is a big chances to make some good profit. So if you want to find out the stock at the right time, there is a chances to make good profit. So here I'm going to create you right now the Bollinger Band for a 16 minutes. That is a 1 hour candle. So here we have some calculations, right? By this band minus this band, and it must be less than that around 30 days, 40 days, whatever. So that's why I'm using the bracket value. Why I'm using the bracket value? So because I'm going to add and subtract two values, so that's why I'm using a bracket. And now here I'm going to use the upper Bollinger Band, right? So this is what a latest. So but I'm going to use 16 minutes, right? So here instead of latest I'm going to use the time frame, that is what a 1 hour. So I'm talking about the current 1 hour candle, the upper Bollinger Band. It must from the upper Bollinger Band I'm subtract, that means I minus the lower Bollinger Band. So lower Bollinger Band 22, the band width is a 22, right? Still we get clear. I am subtracting upper Bollinger Band minus lower Bollinger Band. So this value I get in a bracket, and I am giving you the whole bracket for a next one, which I am going to make another one, which is that Bollinger Band is less than. You got it? The Bollinger Band is less than another bracket value. Again I am going to add some values, right? That Bollinger Band is less than minus 1 hour ago. That means we'll use minimum duration value. So that duration value, it's not a latest one. So 1 hour compared to minus 1. So here I'm using 1 hour candle, which is minus 1 candle, right? Previous candle. Okay, it must be less than minimum. How many days you want to check it out? That was 30 days. I'm 30 candles. That means 30 1 hour candles, which I'm focusing it right now. So upper Bollinger Band, here I'm going to use minus 1 hour again. So upper Bollinger Band, here I am going to use the minus symbol. Why I am using minus symbol? I am going to stop tact. So here 16 minutes, right? So here we use lower Bollinger Band. So a little bit confusing, right? So the thing is clear now. What I'm suggesting you, this was happening, what? That current Bollinger Band minus lower Bollinger Band value is less than minus 1 1 hour Bollinger Band, minimum 30 candles. Bollinger Band minus lower Bollinger Band. So that is what the key conditions. So what I'm using this condition. So recent means the recent Bollinger Band. Okay, this must be a recent Bollinger Band. This is upper band and lower band. And previous one Bollinger Band, I am comparing 30 days. 30 candles, not 30 days. It is about 31 hour candles. 31 hour candles. It is comparing the last 31 hour candles. This candle Bollinger Band is very close to each other. So that is the condition. It was finding the 1 hour upper Bollinger Band minus lower band. So upper and lower band, I am going to calculate the distance. That must be previous candle along with the comparing minimum of 30 days. So that should be, today should be the least value compared to last 30 candles. That is what the condition which I have created here. So if I am created this one, if I first I will save the scan, BB 60 minutes, and then I will change it the name after some time. So let me check it out how many stocks, lot of stocks which is present here. Y, we'll check it out. Bharati BHEL, let me check first, is there any error? BHEL on 16 minutes time frame, let's say this may be the least value compared to past 30 candles. Can you see that there is a past 30 candles? If you check that, this may be the least value. If you are checking out some other areas, it is higher than that. So this should be the least value that was finding out. But we got a lot more stock. 16 minutes, Britannia, Titan, lot of stocks. If you get a lot of stocks, there will be an issue to trade. Which one I'm going to? Let's see. This is what another important thing. You got it? And then I'm going to add some conditions. Why? So this kind of thing which is happening, there is a breakout either upside or a downside, right? If you get a more than 25, 27 stocks, so we may be confused which stocks I'm going to do it. So instead of that, I'm going to change the value over 60 candles. We got another 19 stock. So I'm going to check the Titan. This is what a Titan. So if you back test about 60 bars, this is the where it was very least one. And also it is in the middle of the band. So if the stock crosses above the band or crosses below the band and closed above the band or closed below the band, would be the best probability to continue the trend. So because the band is narrowing it to each other, it must be to develop. If it is middle, even it may be trading means, even it may be having the chances to narrow. But if it is the closed above the candle, may it continue or may it reverse. So that will help you to find out some opportunity. So we have to create some conditions. So if I'm going to add some condition, latest close, we'll add another conditions. We close the 1 hour close, right? We are using a 1 hour candle. So latest close was crossed above. Crossed above upper Bollinger Band. So 1 hour upper Bollinger Band. Would it be a possibly? We will find out a trade. Let me find out. No stocks were filtered. Very recent stock. We will check it out on 14th. Today we have some small stocks. Let's see how many stocks were filtered today. Very least number of shares. If you hide this point, we will get lot more stocks even. So we cannot trade right? Such a kind of stocks. This much of stocks every hour we got a stocks almost 10-15 stocks. It is a tough to do the trade. So let me find out this conditions will help you to make such a trade. So we have only few stocks around 9:15, 14th July today. That was a stock which is PVR. Let me check it out. PVR. What happened in PVR? This is the PVR, and today 16 minutes we use 9:15. This was the candle. Let's see, the band is compared to 60 candles, the band is low. So let me try to change this one for 30 candles. So run scan, we may be getting more stocks. Let me try it. Yeah, can you see that? The same stock only on 14th June 9:15. That is starting of the candle PVR. PVR where it is closed above the candle or crosses above the candle. But end of the day the high is not broken. It may not continue the trend, and the low is not the low was broken at the end of the day near about 2 o'clock after. So the low for the trade is 1893. Here it is broken 1893 and it made a small low and closed by 1893. Our stop loss should be higher than the higher of the candle around 9525. Still the stop loss is not triggered on this particular stock. But if you focus these stocks, there is another opportunity where it is a kind of spinning top which is forms at the higher level of upper Bollinger Band. Even if you focus these stocks, we can try to sell at this level and it is given. But as per this strategy, we didn't get any good profit on that. It was a small loss. And then what was the next stock? Let's go for a next stock, DLF Limited. DLF. Let's say DLF. What happened? I think this is happening at 9:15. Yeah, 10:15. This is at 10:15. This is the candle or where 10:15 candle. The stock is forming here, and initially it broken the high, and it moves very small. And we have there is another candle pattern. There is a reversal. It's an inverted hammer, which is fallen down. You got it. It was not moving good, but compared to previous last 20 candles, 30 candles, it was the lowest level. So that is what the main key we are focusing to find out such a trade opportunity. And what was the next stock? Britannia Hindustan Indus Tower. This tower. That is also be a stock. Indus Tower is happening by 2:15. That means 3:15 candle. It is not giving you any opportunity after that because we have only 15 minutes after to try to take a trade. But there is not a good an opportunity that is happening here. And another one is Britannia. That has also be closed, and there is a narrow range. It is closed above and it closes, but intraday we are not going to take around 3:15 the trade. So the stock which was started earlier, that is the first second candle, would be the best. So this is the key concept where we can use that we have already used on a daily basis. That will help you to find out intraday trade. But right now it is not happening. Let's see, yesterday there is a 2 candle on 12th, 3:15, 1:15. But here at 9:15 on 13th July, that is MRF, but that is also not good. MRF. It was happening on 9:15, 30th. Maybe this 30th, 9:15, and then it broken the high around 77 and it moves to a 77,600 and not moved big. But the reversal would be very good on that MRF. We seen previously somewhere stocks around 11th. This was on happening at 1:15. JSW VEDL on 12/7. 12/7 maybe this 1:15 candle. Yes, right. So it was broken, but the stop loss is not broken, and then it continues the trend. But initially after trigger your entry point, it fallen down small, but your stop loss should be must keep below the low of the candle, and then after that it recovered. And JSW Steel, that is what is JSW Steel. We have to focus VEDL. This was the candle 1:15. I think this was the candle, and it is a spike. After that candle it moves suddenly and fallen down, and it triggers your stop loss at this point. But meanwhile it moves to, but it is a gap up, we cannot catch it out, but it may be a stop loss trade. So that we have to plan, so which kind of stock we are going to take. If the stop loss is more, we should avoid. If the stop loss is good, we can focus. So this is what is parameter where we are using. If you want to change any kind of a time frame, so let's go for a 15 minutes. So I thought to make a taking it long time, so go for a 15 minutes and automatically changes all the 15 minutes. Go for a 15 minutes and 15 minutes. So if you run the scan in a 15 minutes, how many stocks we got it? Got a lot of stock. It's based on the 15 minutes time frame. And today we got a first stock on 30th July. So we have in the 14th, right? So here 9:30. This is happening by yesterday. 9:30 we have a two stocks, IDFC and 𝗂𝗶𝗴𝗃. It's about 15 minutes Bollinger Band. Let's try it. 15-minute Bollinger Band. 𝗂𝗶𝗴𝗃. Where it is? This one at 9:30 𝗂𝗶𝗴𝗃 today. Then once it is broken the high, it continues the trend somewhere. So in intraday, so you should keep the stop loss below the low of the candle, and after moving your 1:1 or whatever the target, and then it triggers your stop loss and it is coming back down. And you can see there a Bollinger Band. We are finding out the Bollinger Band narrow range. That is what the key. And if you use Bollinger Band, is there any reversal candle which is happening upper Bollinger Band? That should be the best opportunity to take a reversal trade. And if it has happened at lower Bollinger Band, so another opportunity to take a short trade. That is a reversal trade in buy 𝗂𝗶𝗴𝗃. IDFC is a very low value stock. Let's go for that. What happened? This was the IDFC at 14,930, and this high is around 54.4. The high is not broken. Today there is another opportunity in 15 minutes. It is broken the low at this point and it fallen down, but the high is not broken, so there is no opportunity in a buy. So it is a breakout either upside or downside, both the way we can track. That was another opportunity in IDFC. And then after 9:30 around 10:30, this was happening 9:30 and 10:30, we have Hindustan Petroleum. What happened in this Hindu Petro? The 14th, here is the 14th, 10:30. Can you see the 10:30 time frame? So this is what is the candle where we are taking entry. It is continues the trend and it moves higher. So the scanner will help you. If you know understand the concept, you can make use of the scanners. So this scanner, you can change the time frame whatever you want. You can change it or all the time frames. That will work for you. Now it is on for 15 minutes. If you want to change the time frame hourly, you can change it your time frame wherever you want, whatever the time frame. So I will save the scan. So 15 minutes I will share you Bollinger Band and breakout 15 minutes. You can change it whatever the time you want. You will get your time frames. Okay, I hope I am taking your most of the time. Thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on our next video. Thank you so much for your supporting me and your comments. Thank you. If you have any questions or a doubt, you just comment on the comment box below. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this, and thank you very much.